Today, let's read a story about a dog named Ford. Ford is a dog. His color is brown. He lives in the farm with Sam. Ford likes to run in the farm. He runs fast. He likes to dig in the soil. But when he sees a worm, he barks and barks. He is afraid of worms. Now let's answer questions about the story for comprehension check. With what creature Ford is afraid of? Right, he is afraid of worms. Where does Ford live? In the city or farm? Right, farm. Who is with Ford in the farm? Is it Sam or Dan? Right, he is with Sam. Can Ford run fast? Yes, he can run fast.
Yay!
Good job, kids. You understood the story. Now it is your turn to read the story in your book. You can do it.